lost my vision. Back 5th grade, I'm hitting in these cookies in my system, got me twisted. Mama always told me if it ain't broke, nigga, don't fix it. Sipping on this brew like a motherfucking lip test, while I'm dipping through the traffic like I'm fucking say. Playing with my nose like a motherfucking kingpin. Monday through Sunday, it's just me and my homies, my amigos, compadres, getting high like we Fridays, bitch, you know the rules. Crack open the bottle, playing with this powder. If a nigga got a problem, everybody, yeah. Rah, 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 nigga hear the choppers, by these bitch asking who pop 'em, and my nigga said who drop 'em. Rockin' with the shady Aggies, man, I hope they love a nigga burn out, man, this shit is crazy. Smoking on the Urkel got me so high, my niggas high, that's no lie. Show a nigga love, cause we on live, my nigga straight. Nigga, they pay, nigga. Yo, they